Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add page number to a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element software. Now click this edit option and here you will find this more option. Click here and simply select here page number option and this is add page number. This page number dialog box open. This page number is style. You can choose any kinds of page number style and choose this one. And start page number, you can start page number 2, 3 or 4 and start page number 1. This font size and this font style. Also you can change here page number color and this page number preview showing here and this is page number position. I'll make it top right side and see this. Also I'll set this position and make this font size 40 and see this. And this page number color we can change. See this, I'll make it default black color. Now you can apply all page range or custom page range. Now simply select apply and see this page number now added all of these pages and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.